The digital cutting machine is the fastest, most accurate, and most affordable way to cut EPE foam. It can cut EPE foam sheets up to 40 centimeters, and it can do with high degree of precision. This makes it ideal for a variety of applications, including manufacturing for EPE foam products such as packaging, insulation, furniture, sign making, electronics, prototyping, model making, etc. The digital cutting machine for EPE foam sheets is also very easy to use. Simply upload your design to the machine computer and it will cut the EPE foam sheet to your exact specifications. If you're looking for a fast, accurate, and affordable way to cut EPE foam, then the digital cutting machine is the perfect choice for you. And here are some additional benefits of using a digital cutting machine for EPE foam sheets. Number 1. Increased productivity. The digital cutting machine can cut EPE foam sheets much faster than the traditional methods, such as hand cutting or using a knife. This can lead to increased productivity and reduced costs. Number 2. Improved accuracy. The digital cutting machine can cut EPE foam sheets with a high degree of accuracy, which can help to ensure that your products meet exact specifications. Number 3. Reduced waste. The digital cutting machine can cut EPE foam sheets with a minimal waste, and which can help to save you money. So, if you're looking for a way to improve your productivity, accuracy, and profitability, and then the digital cutting machine is a perfect solution for you.